This is the 4th annual CSSC Career Day, and one of our priorities is to do everything we can to help our students succeed. So we think of this event as an event to help prepare for that transition, give them the tools to get ready for job interviews, to think about their resumes, to think about networking. And then probably the most beautiful part is connecting students from all of the disciplines to alumni who have graduated with the majors that they're pursuing.
I talked to my PR teacher about it, and she highly recommended it to, it's a great place to just, I need to start networking and meeting professionals. I'm a junior, preparing for the next step. It's still coming for me. Is it okay to have her write my ideas?
I think it's really important for students who are, not necessarily looking for jobs, maybe, but who are going to be looking for jobs, to have professionals available to ask questions of and to get a feel for what people are really looking for now.
If they could remember maybe like 3 things.
When you are a student, you do not know where you're going to end up, right? You may have some dreams, but you don't know that one day you could be CEO of Mount St. Mary, or that you could be the general manager of a television station. You don't know that. You may think about it or dream it, but it doesn't come to life, that easily. So to have people like that around and presented to the students and say, you can become just like us. So I hope that students are inspired to continue to learn, to continue to pursue their passion, and to know that they can make a difference.
And I always, for a long time, thought 4.0 was the most important thing. You just got to do good in school, but as a junior now, it's more and more the networking and the meeting the people, and that is going to be my success when I graduate.
I primarily just hope students realize they need to be making those connections now instead of later. So even if they're freshmen, now's a great time to be thinking about, what do I enjoy? What am I good at? How can I combine those two things? And then how can I take that combination out into the workforce? Who can I be thinking about interning with now? Again, just what connections can I be making now? That's what I want people to get from today.
We'll be glad to meet with you. There is absolutely no way we would say we don't have time for you.
And I think it's extremely important for representatives of the City of Little Rock and ULR to come here and speak to students, also to show what opportunities are here, right here at home.
I hope students can check out the program and then look through the names of the people that we brought in and then outreach to them, connect to them, because these are alumni from this college, and so they're points of connections. And alumni love to connect with students. So have the courage to send an email, to reach out, and then you don't know how that relationship can create a wave of consequence for your professional life.